Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use one specific aspect of Blackboard's early alert tools, and that is the item statistics tracking. Item statistics are great because they can provide instructors with detailed information about specific content, in particularly how many times an item was viewed and when it was accessed. Keep in mind, statistics tracking can be enabled anytime, and it will begin collecting data the moment it's enabled. But if students access an item before the statistics tracking is turned on, then their access will not be recorded. So you need to turn it on fairly early if you want to start collecting those statistics right away. So determine which content item you would like to have tracked. Maybe you want to have an assignment track to see how many students are actually looking at the assignment instructions and how many times they viewed it. So find the content area and click on the arrows beside the item, and then click on statistics tracking. Now we're just going to select on and click submit, and that's going to turn statistics tracking on, and you can see now it even tells us this under assignment 1 that statistics tracking has been enabled. So right now it's going to begin collecting data on whoever accesses that and how many times. Now let's say you want to view the statistical information that's associated with the item. Click on the drop down menus again and click view statistics report. And then on the next screen, click on the drop down menu again and then click run. Blackboard will then bring you to this run report screen, and we're going to select the format that we want to receive the information in. So PDF is fine. Going to select the start date. So this is yesterday's date that we want to start seeing when people accessed it from yesterday, and the end date will be today. So it'll give you a list of selected users as well. So in this case, there's no students in this class, so it's just my name that shows up. Normally, it would be populated with numerous different student names in here, and you could select whichever ones you wanted to run a statistics report on. So if I want to see if Mark Dorsey has accessed this and how many times, then I would click on Mark Dorsey's name. And once I was happy with all this information, I would be ready to run a report, and so I would click submit. And now Blackboard is processing my request. It's going to bring me to the next page in which I can download the report. So I can save the file that contains the information to a local system. So now it's got all of my content usage statistics, how many times I've accessed the information and on which dates. Not a whole lot of information on here. It'll tell you what time of the day they accessed it, how many hits they got, how many times they accessed it. So it'll give you a very detailed breakdown of all the statistics that are associated with that particular content area. And then I can decide to save this information if I want. And I can also go back to Blackboard and run a new report if I want to use a different report criteria, different students, different information. So that is how in Blackboard you would use the item statistics tracking as an early alert tool to see who's accessing the information and how many times they are doing it.